Hey, my name is Peter, CEO I Certified Tech. Today, we're going to talk about 10 skills you need to learn as a tech pro to be the best in the industry. Let's dive right in. So the first skill that you need to learn is programming. And look, if you are a tech professional, you already know this one. But not all of us went to school for it. Not all of us have degrees in computer science. So if you didn't get a chance to learn this in school or you didn't get a chance to take those advanced classes, now is the time to do it. The good thing about programming is once you learn the basics, it's something that you can always fall back on. It's like a safety net. If you lose your job tomorrow, you can always go out and find another job because programming is such a valuable skill. No, 2 is digital transformation techniques. This is a very broad spectrum, but essentially it's about learning how to use technology to solve business problems. Number 3 is cloud computing. You have to understand how the cloud works, what are the different services available, and how you can use those services to build applications or solve business problems. No, for is data analytics. A lot of people don't know this, but there's a huge demand for people who know how to extract insights from data. And look, you don't have to be a data scientist, but understanding the basics of data analytics will go a long way. No, 5 is cybersecurity. You see, in today's world, every company is a technology company, which also means that every company is a cybersecurity company. So if you learn the basics of cybersecurity, it will help you not only land a job, but it'll also help you stand out in the interviews. Now, 6 is API management. Now, not a lot of people understand the importance of APIs, but trust me when I tell you that APIs are the future. In fact, APIs are so important that I have an entire course dedicated to them. So make sure you check that out. No, 7 is automation. You have to understand the tools and technologies that can help you automate your work. And look, this doesn't mean that you're going to go out and replace your job with a robot, but you have to at least understand the basics of automation so that you can make your life easier. No, 8 is project management. Now, a lot of people think that project management is all about managing people, but it's much more than that. In fact, a good project manager is someone who can manage the scope, the time, the budget, and the risks of a project. No, 9 is digital transformation techniques. This is a very broad spectrum, but essentially it's about learning how to use technology to solve business problems. And number 10 is soft skills. Look, you can have all the technical skills in the world, but if you can't communicate effectively, no one's going to hire you. So make sure you work on your soft skills as well. So there you have it, the 10 skills you need to learn as a tech professional to be the best in the industry. Now, I know this might seem like a lot, but trust me when I tell you that it's possible. In fact, I have a video on how to learn these skills faster. So make sure you check that out as well. With that said, I'll see you in the next one.